In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro sticky notes. Start by logging into your Miro account and opening the board where you want to work. Give the board a moment to load so everything is crisp and responsive. It helps to pick a clear area of the canvas where you plan to collect ideas so you can keep your thoughts in one place as you go. If you're collaborating, you'll see other cursors moving around, but everything we're about to do works the same, whether you're solo or in a team session. To create your first sticky, look to the left toolbar and click the sticky note icon. If you prefer shortcuts, press the N key on your keyboard, then click anywhere on the board and start typing. Keep your text short and punchy so it's easy to scan later. Miro lets you type immediately, so there's no extra confirmation. When you're done, click outside the note to finish editing, and you can always click back in to tweak the text. If the note feels too small or too big, adjust it by dragging any of the corners. This resizes the note without changing your text. Use larger notes for headers or key decisions and smaller ones for quick ideas. If you don't see the resize handles, make sure the note is selected. You'll get a subtle outline that confirms it's active. Next, use color to add meaning. Select a note and open the color palette in the context menu that appears above or beside it. Pick a color that matches your category system, maybe one for ideas, another for questions, and another for action items. Keeping your color scheme consistent will make clusters easier to read at a glance during reviews. When you find a layout or style you like, duplicate it to move faster. Select a note and press Ctrl+D on Windows or CMD+D on Mac. Each duplicate keeps the same size and color, so you can create a quick set of uniform stickies for brainstorming, prioritization, or dot voting preparations. If a shortcut doesn't respond, click the canvas once to ensure it has focus. Finally, when you're entering a lot of thoughts in a row, press Tab after you finish typing to create a new sticky to the right. This keeps your notes aligned in a tidy sequence. If you want a new note somewhere else, simply double-click an empty spot on the board to create another sticky exactly where you need it. And that's all you need. Open your board, create a sticky, resize it, color it for meaning, duplicate to speed up, and use Tab or double-click to add more. Try these steps in your next session and you'll be working faster and more clearly in no time.